Attention math lovers, want to turn math from monster to masterpiece? Here's how I do it every day. First things first, breakfast. While munching, I plan my study schedule. A clear plan keeps me focused and organized. Next, I set up my study space. A clean desk and ready materials make a huge difference. I start with a quick review of yesterday's lessons. It refreshes my memory and sets the stage for new concepts. When tackling math problems, break them down into smaller steps. This makes complex problems way less scary. I love using a whiteboard to visualize equations and concepts. Don't forget to take breaks. Short breaks keep me fresh and focused. Studying with friends or joining a study group is gold. Explaining concepts and discussing problems boosts understanding. Practice makes perfect. I solve a variety of problems and apply concepts to real-world scenarios. In the evening, a quick review of what I learned, then it's time to relax. Balance is key to avoid burnout. That's my study routine. Hope these tips help you ace math. Remember, consistency and a positive mindset are crucial. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tips and vlogs. See you next time.